Welcome to
17,000 Flavors of Indonesia.
Today, this morning, we just woke up and then we were thinking to do our harvest. Yeah.
This is our Kaffir lime trees, and we actually have 12 of them now. As we may have mentioned, we are producing our seasonings now, and the Kaffir lime leaves is very important to the flavor palette of several of the seasonings.
It's one of the soul of the seasoning, and this is the common thing that we use in my island.
So here's the leaf, and they're so aromatic, especially if you break them. Oh my gosh. The smell is amazing. And then when you cook with these, it just sends the entire flavor combination of the different seasonings that go into the cooking seasoning, just send it to a whole different level. Yeah. It's just an amazing flavor here. So can you pull this little branch down to show the...
And this is the fruit. Oh, this is mixed with sambal.
Yeah. So here's the fruit. It's kind of warty, so it's not necessarily that attractive, but the flavor is amazing even when you scratch the skin of it. And
when you cut this and then you squeeze it, there is some liquid that you can mix with sambal in Indonesia, lemongrass and this.
And chilies.
Oh my gosh.
Yep.
And then you don't need to throw it. For example, if you make a nasi goreng, mee goreng, or anything that you want, this zest.
The zest or the rind.
Yeah, just zest it. Oh my gosh, it's so good.
And you just add that into your dish.
Yes.
It just I don't know. It gives it makes it come alive.
It tastes fresh because of the
yeah. And you can even put these in iced tea or something like that, or hot tea.
Yeah, one of our customer, they love to.
Yeah, one of our customers in the restaurant loves to put this in their tea.
And this smell brought me back to that small house in my neighborhood. I was like, oh my gosh, I used to make my own sambal and then mix with the water spinach. This is the smell. Oh, so good.
So Kaffir lime trees in Indonesia, you know, in the times that I've been there, they're everywhere. It's a very common tree, and it just grows very well. Here we're in Miami, and we were very lucky that we found a grower that actually had some in pots. We're not putting them in the ground. We're actually keeping them in pots, and we put them in bigger pots so they would grow.
So it's easy to move around.
So yes. So if we ever move from this house, we can also take our Kaffir lime trees, because it's very hard to find them here, especially, you know, for our seasonings where we want to do all fresh ingredients. So we were really lucky to find these trees, and hopefully they will be very bountiful for us. And
or maybe in the future we're gonna be a grower, and then we're gonna sell it.
Yes, we could do that too, because you know there's just there's no substitution for fresh ingredients.
Literally, you can put this leaf to any dish you make in your house, like everything.
Yes.
Drink. We even use this for cake in Indonesia. Can you imagine that?
Wow.
And then, literally you put everything, is totally bring that freshness of the ingredient that you put there. I don't know why, I feel like so good.
And it doesn't have to you know, be processed in any way.
Yeah.
You know, we do incorporate it in our cooking seasonings, but you can just chop it up a little bit and add it to a dish that you are cooking. I mean, that's how simple using Kaffir lime leaves are, and it just to me it just takes every dish to another level. And
take the dish to a tastier level.
A tastier level.
Yes.
You know, our goal, our motto here is to make the world tastier.
And one of the ingredients will make the world tastier. It's a lime leaf.
It's the Kaffir lime leaf.
Kaffir lime
Yes,
leaf.
yes. 17,000 flavors of Indonesia.